Hello students, today we are going to discuss the remaining types of sentences. Remaining type of transformation of sentences. How to convert simple to complex, complex to compound. Okay. Type 5. That is type 5 is known for using infinitive. That is in simple you have to use to, TWO2 and TO2. And in complex so that. And compound very and so. Again I am repeating to for simple and complex so that and compound very and so. Example we are going to see. The beggar is very old. He cannot run. Okay, the given sentence is the beggar is very old. He cannot run. Now we are going to apply the keywords in simple sentence. The beggar is too old to run. Okay, the beggar is too old. Here with two you have to use TOO, and in the second part you have to use TO2. Okay, in complex the beggar is so old that he cannot run. Okay, in complex again I am repeating, the beggar is so old that he cannot run. What is the difference between the first one and second one? Simple you are using only two and two, but in complex you have to use so that. In addition to that you are using he cannot run. Okay, and in compound the beggar is very old and so he cannot run. Okay, very and so you have to use. So again I am repeating from the first. The beggar is very old, he cannot run is the given sentence. You are going to apply all the keywords. The beggar is too old to run. The beggar is so old that he cannot run. The beggar is very old and so he cannot run. Okay. Now we are going to move to type 6. That is condition. See, if you are asking any favor from your parents, your father or mother, what they will do immediately? They will, in return, they will ask you one favor. If you get first rank in this month, and definitely I will give you a gift. Okay. That is known as condition. If you are asking a favor from others, they will keep you one condition in front of you. Okay, now we are going to see that condition type. Okay, for that the keywords are in simple, in the event of, and complex, if or unless, depending on the sentence type. Okay, and in compound you must or should, then only. Okay, or otherwise or else. Okay, shall we apply these keywords in a sentence? The given sentence is you eat well, you will grow strong. Okay, the sentence is you eat well, you will grow strong. Okay, now we are going to apply the keyword for simple sentence. In the event of you are eating well, you will grow strong. The second main clause is there as it is. The first part only are doing the changes. In the event of you eating well, you should not write. No, in the event of you are eating well, you will go strong. Okay. The second complex, if you eat well, you will grow strong. Okay. If you eat well, you are applying if in complex. If you eat well, you will go strong. And compound, you must eat well. You must or you should. Okay. You must eat well or you should eat well. Then only you will grow strong. Okay, these are known as condition. This type of condition, okay, if they are asking on demand in return, this is known as condition. Okay, when will you become strong? If you eat well, you will grow strong. In the event of you are eating well, you will grow strong. You must or you should eat well, then only you will grow strong. Okay, shall we move to the next one? The type 7. Very important type. This is in addition to, if you are having in addition to any other talents or any other work, for that you have to apply the following keywords. Okay, shall we go? Okay, in simple you have to apply the keyword besides being, not beside being. Okay, you have to add yes near to beside. Besides being, and in complex who, also, compound not only but also. This is very important type. Many times repeatedly they ask you in the question paper also. Okay, keep all the keywords in your mind. For simple, besides being. And in complex, who, also. Compound, not only, but also. Okay, now take the sentence. She is a dancer, she is a singer. Check the sentence. The girl, one girl is having two talents. She is a dancer and she is a singer. You are going to combine this by using the following keywords. Okay, what about simple? Besides being a dancer, she is a singer. And remember always, whenever you have the be forms like is, was, and you have to remove that, you have to replace with being. Okay, so she is a dancer in the place of is. Besides being a dancer, she is a singer. Okay, in complex, you have to write she who is a dancer, also a singer. Again, I am repeating. In some books, wrongly they printed. Okay, that's why I am repeating again for complex. She who is a dancer, also a singer. You have to write for complex. And compound, she is not only a dancer but also a singer. No, many questions. No, they ask you the same type. No, they ask you to convert into compound sentence. By giving a sentence, they told you to change into compound sentence. Okay, so again I am repeating. She is a dancer, she is a singer. For that, how you have to change? In simple, besides being a dancer, she is a singer. And complex, she who is a dancer is also a singer. And in compound, she is not only a dancer but also a singer. Okay? Okay students, now we are going to revise again all the 7 types again. Okay? The first types, cause and result. Okay? The second type, contrast type. And third one, time, immediate action. Fourth, two events, one after another. And fifth one, infinitive. Sixth one, condition. And seventh one, in addition to. Okay, in addition to means if you have any good qualities or any 2 talents, what keyword you have to use for this type. Okay, so these are the very important types in this question. So you have to be thorough with all the keywords. So what you have to do, you have to practice very well with the keywords, and definitely you are going to score very good marks in your English grammar. Okay children, so in the next class we will discuss some questions related with this all these types. Okay, thank you, bye.